states unequivocally that in the open quotes, it is an unalienable right of members of the party to vote for any position. In addition, it is the right of any member to stand for and, if elected, hold any office in the party subject to Article 5.5.2. That article refers to qualifications which are required for one to actually hold a position in the MDC. Accordingly, the brutal purge of members for preferring to vote for candidates of their choice is an anathema to the party and its constitution, and thus nullifies any processes born out of such practices. Hence, all the recently held sham congresses conducted under this orgy of violence have nothing to do with MDC. We are also aware that the majority of these congresses were held at night with the sole objective not only to frustrate the would-be voters, but also to instill fear, to stuff ballot boxes with the votes, which ensure that persons preferred by Nelson Chamisa are elected. In a number of instances, a list of preferred persons was simply announced as winners of the process. These practices are alien to the MDC and cannot be allowed to subsist under the democratic dispensation which has become the culture of the MDC party. Way forward.